warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Amanda Silva Pramudita from 12th grade nursing class. Today we will make a herbal drink sinom. Let's begin. First, prepare the ingredient including tamarind leaves, turmeric, sugar, and water. Then, clean the tamarind leaves and turmeric. After that, cut the turmeric into small pieces. Then crush it using a knife. Enter the water into the pan. Then add the tamarind leaves. And turmeric. Then we turn on the stove. And we wait for it to boil. After boiling like this, we put the sugar in. Then we stir it. After that, turn off the stove and we wait for it to cool. When it's cool, we filter it so that the water is separated from the dregs. After that, put it in the bottle. And sinom is ready to be enjoyed. This sinom is more delicious to drink when cold.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Siti Fariha, class 12 nurse SMK KESEHATAN Surabaya. I did practical English assignment, which is how to do art to make something. Let's go to the kitchen to make fried aci. Cut the peeled and roasted garlic. Puree the garlic. Then add the rice into the mortar. You can skip rice because hernie have leftover rice. And grind it with a grind until the dessert texture. Add tapioca flour. Add hot water tasting. Add flavoring tasty. Add salt tasty. Add coriander tasty. Add pepper tasty. Then stir until the dough is evenly distributed. the water is not milk, you can add it. Then stir again until smooth. Then form the archy dough and coat the flour so that it does stick to each other. Do this until the dough runs out. Turn on the fire, heat the oil. When it is hot, the dough is ready to be cooked until yellowish. And turn the dough over to cook evenly. When it is cooked, remove it from the hot oil and dry. The aci is ready to serve and eat. May add topping according to taste.
Hi guys, my name is Fanny Feliana Sari. I'm 12th grade pharmacy. We'll make pancake. 1 kilogram wheat flour, 500 grams sugar, 400 grams of beans, 500 milliliter of oil, 4 tablespoons powder milk, vanilla and salt to taste, egg of spread. Mix flour and nuts. Add sugar, powder milk, vanilla and salt. Then stir until blended. Pour the oil little by little. After kneading, roll the dough with rolling stick. Then shape it dough according to taste. Put in a baking dish. Put in the oven and bake until half a cook. After half cooked, spread with egg yolk.
Bake again until done.
Hello guys, my name is Rika Putri Rasidiana from the 12th class Pharmacy SMK Kesehatan Surabaya. Here I would like to show you how to make a box snack bouquet. The first step is to measure the folio paper according to the tin. Pass the paper using a double tip and trim. Enter and measure the sponge into the tin. Stick one stick to its neck using a double tip. Stick candy and snack into the sponge trim. Cut the decorative flowers and stick them in front of the candy as decoration. Take the ribbon from a stick on the front of the can. Balloon pump and fastening. Stick the balloon into the sponge so that the balloon can stand perfectly and neatly. Give double tips to the two middle parts stick. The bucket snack box is ready. And this is the end result. Thank you for watching.